Don't leave now. Pick up the sampling. Paladin. Stay there. Pick up the sampling. Don't again. Thank you. Move, Melis. Melis, move.
Off tank move out completely.
Okay, move out. Everybody move out. Pain suppression the off tank.
I'll stay close to Ice Chain.
Yeah.
Alright. Should be decent.
Okay, better.
You have stun, right?
He should have.
Hey.
He's probably should. Spread more. Use your innervates, everybody. And spread more. Melis, Aura Mastery Frost. Yeah. MD the last one to the offline. What? Anybody has a rest up? Miyakoda, you can rest.
10 seconds.
Wait, Miyakoda will rest him.
There's 2 tricks available, by the way. Good job. And they were available throughout this raging. Now you do it. Great job.
Stack up.
Melee still inside.
Default me. Back on list.
This way.
Stay on square. Valkyries are coming down. Stack up better, guys. This is too much bullshit. After the Valkyries go left side to Jacob. Left side. Stack on the left side. More DPS on the diamond. On the diamond. On the triangle too. On the triangle too.
I'll take this Reaper.
Triangle, please. Triangle. Finish the triangle. Kill Bazinka. A bloodlust now, Spartan.
Take now.
Stack up. Default 4 seconds.
Promise.
Nice one. Kill the Valkyrie.
Shaman blocked. I'm doing.
Kill the green first.
Take Lich King.
Aquamarine, take Lich King, and you can take Reaper with Deep Rot. 5 seconds, Deep Rot now. Just Deep Rot now. Okay, back on Lich King. Default first. Default and then we stack. Go back to the middle. Default 4 seconds and then we stack. Nice default, stack up behind Lich King. Put a Hunter trap. Okay, kill the Valkyries. They're nicely stacked. Kill them. Do your stuns.
Bring Lich King with Valkyries.
Move Lich King with Valkyries, yes, please. Kill Aquamarine. More DPS on the Valkyries. Holy Rafton, please.
It's great. Some rook vanish and stun.
It's fine. Default now. Push Lich King. Put it closer to the middle and push Lich King.
You don't need to.
Pain suppression the time.
We're pushing him.
Just go to the side. Move out. Everybody move out. Okay. Hope the Hunter molest. And desync. Humanita, desync.
Use Divine Hand if you can. Priest.
I have mana.
It's fine. We can still do this. Anybody can rest Screen Squad.
I can.
Okay, you rest Screen Squad.
Do innervates on me and do it.
Innervates.
Totem splits.
Watch your aggro. Segment feign them. Heal
Please
si-
don't fuck up with tricks.
Watch your aggro. Watch your fucking aggro.
One pet is on Lich King.
Okay, Mia code. Hooter, can you res like?
Hey,
Don't
chill.
Don't die.
Sphere.
Aura, frost aura. Do you have frost? Okay. Anybody can less leg in the north, please.
Kill low HP.
Spheres.
I will accept. Now, accept. Lol.
Why didn't you accept on time? Like seriously, like.
Cause
Can you rebuff warriors inside?
I thought it was inside.
Yes, sure. You thought it was inside. Kill the stumbling. The spirits. Follow the star. We can still do this, guys. It will be slow.
Kings and warriors, please.
Can I use Starfall in Mines here?
Move. Okay, anybody has battle res, let me know now. Okay. Stay on the star, hug the walls. When we go outside, defile. You have to turn the spirits off tank to the edge so we don't get.
One of the paladins do kings.
Give me
please.
pain suppression when we come out.
No, the rest of the battle is.
Cook, you descend. You sacrifice him. Put a nice defile. Sacrifice Bajinka. Finish the ragings. Start moving slowly, Bajinka, and off tank to the other side. Don't face the ragings into the group. Finish the low HP one especially.
There is only one.
Shadow Priest, you will soak the next wave of. Don't face them. Face the edge. Just face the edge. Shadow Priest, you
Shriek.
soak. Okay, defile now, and go behind Lich King after defile. Nice, okay. Full DPS on Lich King now.
Don't move too fast.
Just run to the other side. No. We're gonna enter the next one. You should have moved earlier.
Kings and warriors, please.
Humanita, just King's Warriors. Okay, stack on me. Stack on
Thanks a lot.
Move.
Spirit behind us.
When we go outside, defile and soul repair. But Zinga, can you take the soul repair?
Yes, I can, but can I get pain suppression?
Yes, you can pain suppression. From pain suppression, and go outside. After the defile. Okay, we're going outside right now. Go to the edge. Move Lich King to the edge. Go behind Lich King if you can. Okay, nice. Start moving slowly.
Paladin, take next.
Paladin, don't Lich King and move it to the other side. You have to take it with Deep Rot.
He doesn't have Ardent. Careful.
He has Deep Rot though. But Zinga, you soak the spirits. Wait for defile. Nice defile. Go behind Lich King now. Nice. Okay, decent.
Question. Can I shock with Breath of Shadows?
No.
Okay.
You can feint and take some damage, but you'll die too.
Look at this trap under Lich
I
King.
have cooldowns for next.
But Zinga will taunt Lich King when we go outside and take it with Barch King and Rage, whatever it's called. Kill the spirits, there are way too many. Kill the spirits.
Starfall.
Boom keys, please. Stack on the star, on the walls. Hug the walls.
Maybe combat rest and kill and push.
No, I wanna save it.
Spirit behind.
Stay on the star, stay on the star, stay on the star. Move now. Kill the spirits if you can. Okay, when we go outside, default. Bajinka, kill Bajinka, he will taunt with bark skin and whatever. Shadow Priest, you soak the spirits, please. Shadow Priest, you soak the spirits. Move it to the edge. That's a really bad default. Just move it to the edge, move it to the edge, move it to the edge. Go behind Lich King if you can, guys. Go behind Lich King. Don't
Hold
die.
on to this.
Okay. Stay there, Bajinka. Move it to the edge, move it to the edge. What's this spirit? The fuck? There's a Val spirit in the group or?
Yeah, it's my bed.
Desunk. Soul Reaper now.
Defend,
You can
defend,
sacrifice him too. Sacrifice him too. Use your cooldowns, whatever you have. Desunk now, desunk. Aura Mastery Shadow, Aura Mastery Shadow, desunk. We're gonna enter now soon. Just try to kill it.
Do we have this video?
Do it. Battle S Lich King first.
Just kill Lich King fast, kill Lich King fast. Ah, no. Okay, we're gonna enter again.
Yeah, it will die.
It will die. Yes, it's a kill, guys. Fuck
Hey.
Really nice Nitro boots, man. Good, really nice job.
It's weird though, because
I
when the
have
file
this on
dropped,
video, man. I love this. I
when the
fucking
file
love you.
dropped, I was out of the platform, and yet it still went just on the slide. The fuck happened? Broken game.
That was hypey, by the way.
Oh my god, I'm gonna give a lot of TKP for this.
What the fuck?
Dana for Kite Master.
It's kinda hard for first LoD, I guess.
Ah, too much bullshit. Anyway, I guess since we did this, it's fine. Overall, I don't know if I'm not sure if it's worth it. The wipes and shit. Yesterday it was way easier.
Dude, you're doing like 4 LDs a week, like,
This is the
be happy. 5?
Yeah, this was the fifth one.
Yeah, dude, like, just be happy, like, what the fuck are you complaining about? Of course, 5th one's gonna be a bit more difficult.
Yeah, but like fourth one was almost one shot.
Yeah, but like, I heard that you have, your group is a bit lower, like, you have really good healers, but the rest of the group is a bit lower.
Yeah.
Lower in brains.
Ah, come on.
Wait, I'm not gonna be able to get loot now. Fuck me. I should have wiped us.
Alpha.
Thanks for the amazing run, guys.
You got free TKP again for nothing. I should minus you.
Happy birthday, Alpha.
Let's go Bane now.
Yes.
How
use-
about fuck you?
How about fuck me? You wanna
Yes.
fuck me? You wanna fuck me,
Yeah.
boy?
Rose, you going fresh or gotta save?
I have a save.
Okay, I'm up.
Too many people are up. Lich King doesn't wanna die. Who has Master Victory?
Half the fucking raid AFK. Or the DPS is actually that low.
I don't know.
Oh my god, my butthole. I got